So how are self-employment income support schemes taxed? Check out this video as I go through all of the gory details. Hi everyone, my name is Simon Misiewicz from Optimise Accountants. I'm here to help you build your wealth and reduce your tax liability. Now, if you're watching this video and you're an American or you reside in the States, then you are going to have to pay tax to the IRS. But wouldn't it be better to be tax efficient in both the UK and in the US? Well, check out personal tax and the details will be below this video. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 40% tax band that will affect you if you are going to make a self-employment income support scheme grant application. Man, that was difficult to say. Oh well. So do check out this video, which is the self-employment income support scheme, which talks about the scheme itself, what's required, what's the criteria, etc. That video will be appearing above my head, but the link will also be below this video. I also did a Q&A session on this particular topic, and again, the video will be appearing above my head, and you've guessed it, will be below this video as well. And finally, there is a August 2020 income support scheme that's going to be made available to you. Guess what? And down. Yeah, you get us. So let's move on from that. So there is two grants that you can apply for. So there's the May grant that you can apply for and the August grants. Do check out those videos because I'm not going to go into those, but those are the kind of grants that you can get. It's worth having a look at that. However, what I wanted to do is give you an example of what might happen. In this example, you can see the profit from self-employment, the profits that they was made before COVID-19, because you only get this grant if you are financially affected by COVID-19. So you have to look back at your previous tax returns. So in this regard, we've got 45,000, 40,000, and then 45,000. On average, this person made 43,333 across the 3 tax years. And that is what HMRC will use to determine how much of the grant you can get. It's a convoluted formula, I have to be honest. But one thing that you'll notice on this slide is that this particular person can get a grant of 7,500, which is the maximum amount that you could claim on the May 2020 period. But we now need to think about tax because it's not a loan, it's not a gift, it's income that's coming to your self-employment and therefore will be taxed. Did you know that? You do now. So you have to think about this. If you have got a claim of £7,500 and you are a basic rate taxpayer, be concerned that you've got to pay back £1,500 to HMRC if you make a profit, bearing in mind. But let's imagine that you had made a profit and you're still a high rate taxpayer. It is going to be an income, will be taxed at 40%, and therefore you have to pay back £3,000 in tax. Have you forecasted that yet? And if you've got one of these bounce back lines, which you also have got to pay back, there's a lot of money you're going to have to fork out next year when the economy recovers. So have you got the money set aside for all of this yet? I think you have to really do your work on this particular subject. We have covered this subject in great detail in our know-how online community. So make sure you get access to that. It's free for 30 days, by the way. Use the code YouTube. So if you do that, 30 days free access, get the information as required and check out all the details. In there, you'll learn how to save tax and you'll get access to various conversations that's going on in that community as well. So go check that out and do that today. Don't forget to press like and comment on this video if you have any questions. And don't, of course, forget to subscribe to this channel so you get notified on every single video. And that's pretty much it for today. But if you want to discuss our services or talk, book a tax call with me, Simon Misiewicz, the links will be appearing below this video. So go check out those again, and I'll see you on the very next video.